your name?
My name is Jenny.
Hi, Jenny. How old are you, Jenny?
8 years old.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Are you hungry?
No.
No. Okay. No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Very good. Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So look at this, and then next time, teacher will gonna ask you, what are you doing, Jenny?
I'm watching TV.
Okay. And what are you doing?
I'm painting.
Very good. This time you have to read. Can you read?
What are you doing? I'm coloring.
Great job, Jenny. Next.
What are you doing? I'm reading.
Good. Okay. Here you have to read and give me the word for this picture. Do you have a?
Paddle.
Do you have a bottle?
Yes, I do.
Mm-hmm. Do you have a?
Baseball.
Do you have a baseball?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a?
Soccer ball.
Soccer ball. Next. Do you have a?
Racket.
Great job. Next. Do you have the how many?
Stapler.
How many staplers do you have, Jenny?
Yes, I do.
How many? 1, 2, 3. How many staplers? I have.
I have one stapler.
Okay, great. How many?
I have
How many is this?
eraser.
How many erasers do you have?
I have 4 erasers.
Okay, here. How many? What are these? Color.
Color pencil.
So how many color pencils do you have in your bag? Do not count this one in your bag. How many?
And
I have.
I have
How many color pencils do you have in your bag?
8
Oh, 8 color.
color pencils.
Very good. Color pencils. Next, how many? What's this? How many? What is this?
Ruler.
Okay, how many ruler do you have?
I have 5 rulers.
5
5
rulers. Great. Okay, here, let's move on to phonics. You have to say the beginning sound, okay? What's the beginning sound of this? What?
Water.
Great. Next.
Question.
Great job, Jenny. Next.
Ostrich.
Okay.
Rabbit.
Okay.
Under.
Next.
Kangaroo.
Okay.
Hamster.
Very good.
Yes.
Great.
Box.
Great. Next.
11.
One more time. Elephant.
Elephant.
Yes, not okay? Elephant. Great job. So here, the last part, you have to read and tell me the command, okay? So I'll make it bigger for you. Can you read this one, Jenny?
Draw a half circle.
Again, say the word half.
Half.
Draw a half circle.
Draw a half circle.
Okay, point, where is it? Use your finger. 3. Next.
Bounce the ball.
Bounce the ball.
Bounce the ball.
Very good. Where is it? Number 1. Okay, great job. Next.
Shoot the ball.
Shoot the ball. Very good reading. Next, where is it? Shoot the ball. Oh, bounce the ball this one. Where is the shoot the ball? Yes. Okay. Next.
Brush your teeth.
Again, say it again. Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Okay, teeth. Where is it? Number
Number 2.
2. Great job. Goodbye, Jenny.
Goodbye, teacher.
See you again.